Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to unsponsor someone on Cash App account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, it's important to understand what unsponsoring actually means. Cash App doesn't have a direct button labeled unsponsor. Instead, what you're doing is either canceling a pending referral invite or removing someone who's already connected to your account. Now, if the referral is still pending and the person hasn't joined yet, this is the easiest fix. Open Cash App, tap on your profile icon, and go to your referrals section. Find the person you invited, tap on their name, and select Cancel Invite. This will stop the referral process and prevent any bonus from being triggered. However, if the person has already joined and you no longer want them connected, then you'll need to block them. Go to your profile, head into Privacy Settings, and look for the option to block users. Enter their cash tag or name and block them. This will stop them from interacting with you or seeing your activity. If your situation involves a referral bonus or a special promotion that you want reversed, then your best option is to contact support. Go to the support section in the app and start a chat. Explain your situation clearly, whether it's a mistaken referral, sponsorship issue, or you want someone disconnected and request assistance. Cash App support may take some time to respond, but they can help resolve more complex issues that aren't available through normal settings. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.